remember the story of Goldilocks and the three bears, where she preferred a porridge that was neither too hot nor too cold, and she preferred a bed that was neither too soft or too hard. Just like that, we have to find a sweet spot that is just right for us. And this is where the Goldilocks principle comes in. The Goldilocks principle is the concept where we are inclined towards just the right amount. This principle is based on the concept that what we would prefer is not too much, not too less, but just the right amount. And this principle has applications in almost all the fields, be it economics, cognitive science, engineering, physical activity, and mostly psychology. Let's quickly go through some fun examples so you can understand this principle a bit more. Starting from Astrobiology. In the Journal of Sustainability Education, there's an article by Seth Baum entitled Teaching Astrobiology in a Sustainability Course. And in that article, he shared this illustration where we have sun and then we have all the planets, and you can see that the planets that are close to the sun are too hot, whereas the planets farther away, which are Neptune, Uranus, and so on, are too cold. And then there is Earth, which is just about right for habitation. Next, in the field of communication, the Goldilocks principle describes the amount, type, and the detail of the communication that is necessary to make an effective impact, and the conversation where there is less redundancy. In the side of productivity and motivation, we have James Clear, who has mentioned in one of his newsletters about long-term motivation, and his first point was stick to the Goldilocks rule and work on tasks of just manageable difficulty. So what he's trying to say is that we need to find the amount of work that is just about right and which is doable. So it's not too much, which is overambitious, or it's not too less that we really would not care enough about it. And we have a very cute sketch by Austin Kleon about life and work and how to actually find the balance. I found this illustration really creative and cute. The last example to explain Goldilocks principle I would like to use from the marketing field. And I want to share the Netflix price plans. Netflix offers 4 pricing plans: the basic with ads, then a basic standard, and a premium one. And you can see the price differences starting from $6.99 per month up to $19.99 per month. Based on your requirement, you will be choosing the one that is just about right. So I don't think people would be going for the basic with ads, because only adding $2 more per month, you would not be having ads. Similarly, there will be other products where the strategies have been applied using Goldilocks effect, and where the customer would be inclined choosing the one that's in the middle, which is not too cheap or not too expensive, and that's how pricing strategies are made. So if you start looking around, you'll be able to find Goldilocks principle being applied one way or another around you or in your job. So next time when you go grocery shopping, you would know which kind of apples to pick.